Okay, this is Math Mystical Mountains, and this is a quick video that I basically just put together for a impromptu first aid kit and a different use for an old Alice M16, magazine pouch. Um, Basically, I do leave the um, grenade pouches on there for the simple fact is anything you can put in that's bigger than the hole at the bottom won't fall out. But most of the time you put your tomahawk or your hatchet through there, like a small one, and they don't hurt anything. Now inside the pouch is just a um, mini loaf pan that I put into the fire, as you can see, and I know it works. And inside of this is some fat wood at the bottom with a lighter, a couple of emergency space blankets, a couple of things of band-aids, bandages, gauze, alcohol pads, stuff like that, and a bandana and electrical tape, all wrapped in duct tape. And this is basically for an overnight situation, something that, if you have your knife with you and stuff, you can grab and go if you have, the very basic EDC. But, like I said, this is just for an overnight, maybe 2 nights. And it's small, compact, durable. The magazine pouch is $2 or $3. An old loaf pan from Goodwill, $1 maybe. And the rest of it's just stuff you have anyway. So I thought you might like this. Like, share, subscribe, comment, um, do all that good stuff. And I will talk to you after a while. Love you.